Hello folks. The other night we was watching a live Lazy Days Ahead with Jesse and Lisa, and they was having giveaways, having drawings, and we was one of the lucky people. We got this in the mail today. It was here when I got home from work. Cut into it here. Show you here what we won. Oh, we got us a card here. We'll open that up here in just a second. There's their logo and channel. Great channel, folks. Let's see what all else we got in here. See it there, Shug? Oh boy. We won this here, folks. Can you see it good, Shug?
Yep.
A Kilner 6-piece Canon tool set. But also, look down in here what all else we got. We'll open these jellies up here in just a second and take a look.
Oh boy.
Oh boy. Thank you. Boy, packaged up real good.
Yep.
Alrighty folks, what all was in the box? It was this here that we won. But Jesse and Lisa, they also sent us prickly pear jelly. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Mango jam. And this one here, pineapple jalapeno jelly. Here's a magnet and a sticker. Look at that nice logo they got. You seen it good, Shug?
Yep.
And they sent us this nice card here. And it says on here, "Howdy Doug. Congratulations on winning this canning set. We hope you will get a lot of use out of it. Carolyn sure will, folks. We also included a couple jars of our sweetness for you. Enjoy. Thanks so much for your support of our channel. Much love, Lisa and Jesse." Folks, if you get a chance, catch their channel. They've got a great channel. They make great stuff. Look at that there. I mean, just look how pretty that is. Check them out.
They have a lot of giveaways.
Yes, they have a lot of giveaways. Super nice people. They work hard too. If you watch many live videos in our community, they are moderators in most of them. Hard-working family. Folks, check them out. Thank you guys again. That's all, folks.